What's going on, everybody? So, I just wanted to point something out. If you're signing up with a credit repair company and they want you to pay with PayPal and Venmo, well, there's a good reason they want you to do that. They're scamming you. Because if they were a real business, like Everything Credit LLC, they would accept debit cards and credit cards. Can't go to Walmart and buy something with PayPal or Venmo, however you say it. So I posted some screenshots for y'all to look at. And just be careful, man. This is how people are scamming y'all. Once y'all send them money via PayPal and Venmo, you're not getting your money back. And this is exactly how our number one scammer friend, which is not really a friend, but I will continue to expose him and everything that he's doing that is not right. A real business accepts debit cards and credit cards, not PayPal, not Venmo. Y'all have any questions or concerns? Leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.